Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to join friends in Steal A Brainrot Roblox. So first things first, you have to log into your account here. Go to Roblox, log into your account, and then you have to go to the search icon or search bar and then type Steal A Brainrot. So you have to simply tap it right here. So Steal A Brainrot and then click experiences, tap this one. Now, in the experiences, what you're going to do is you have to look for servers. So you have to click this one first and then go to servers. Here, you can create and share a private server if you want, but if your friends have their servers already, then all you have to do is to tap on join to join to their server. So if you're both friends in Roblox or if your friend is online in the game, just tap on join here and then wait for them to accept you. You just have to wait for that. So basically, just find current private servers and then just add them. It's just easy to join using a private server link or a private server here. So just click the private server link if your friend has sent to you, or just join to their servers right here. And after that, then you can just basically launch, or Roblox will launch the Steal a Brainrot experience and place you in the same server if the game and server settings allow it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorial.